Peace and love, good people. Peace and love. Let's get right back into it. How to trade unusual options activity. This is by Webull Learn. Listen, reading is fundamental. Hey, and Webull, I need to know the name of the author who wrote this. Look, we got some earning reports coming. More on that later. Identifying unusual options activity. So the unusual options activity list shows you symbols whose options contracts are displaying unusual behavior. It is an efficient way to track options activities and understand the present options market. With this tool, you can easily find unusual options activities, such as unusual trading volume for a specific contract, which might indicate the sentiment of other investors. This can help you find trading opportunities and make more informed decisions about options trading. All right, unusual activity. Why is unusual options activity worth using? All right, let's get into it. Number one, monitor the options market. Number two, assess possible future movements. And number three, making more informed contract selections. So one, unusual options activity provides easy, intuitive ways to zero in on the most dynamic segments of the options market. You can search by trading volume, most traded options, and more. So you can search by trading volume. All right, which stocks have the most people buying it right now? The most traded options. So which ones have the most closed positions, and even more. All right, so two, assess possible future movements. Trading options require investors to make predictions about the timing and direction of a stock's price movement. Keeping an eye out for unusual options activity can signal that investors believe a move will occur soon. All right, when people start piling into a position, a lot of volume, all right, might be a sign that things are about to move. Number three, making more informed contract selections. For investors who are considering options trading, the unusual options activity tool can provide valuable information and context for their research and analysis. All right, so how to find unusual options activity. All right, things to look for. One, understanding key indicators. All right, so we have the pulse index, the volume of all options on the stock, divided by the average volume of all options in the last 30 days. Okay, so the volume of all options on the stock divided by the average volume of all options in the last 30 days. Okay, a call pulse index, the volume of all call options on the stock divided by the average volume of all call options in the last 30 days. All right, the put pulse index is similar. The volume of all put options on the underlying stock divided by the average volume of all put options in the last 30 days. Okay. All right, the volume divided by the open interest. Total volume of all options on the underlying stock divided by the total number of open positions for all options. Note that the open interest shows the previous data during the market, as it can only be calculated after market close. I see. So the open interest shows the previous data. So the open interest is never happening in real time. All right, so volume divided by open interest in a call list, and volume divided by open interest in a puts list. So the total volume of call options on the underlying stock divided by the total number of open positions for call options, and then the volume divided by open interest in the put list is the total volume of put options on the underlying stock divided by the total number of open positions for put options. All right, so again, most indicators are mathematical calculations that they have tried to use to generalize an outcome. You know, this divided by this typically gives you this metric. So the PC ratio, or the put to call ratio, total volume of all put options on the underlying stock divided by the total volume of all call options. All right, so these are things to look out for when you want to find options with unusual activity. All right, a lot of times we're talking about when the current circumstances exceeds the average. All right, don't let that go over your head. When things are happening on the average, when the average is almost the norm or what can be expected. So anytime you have outliers, that's unusual. So these metrics allow us, or indicators basically allows us to sift through a list of pre-selected stocks that meet this criteria. So when you take, instead of you whipping out a calculator, you can look at the list and you can know that this list is showing you that the volume, these stocks on this list represent stocks who has a volume of all options divided by the average volume of all options in the last 30 days. And it's giving you some unusual activity. All right, so keep that in mind. We're looking for things that are happening outside of the average. Oversold, overbought, outside of the average. The average is a crucial indicator all across the stock market. All right, regardless of the strategy that you use. All right, and lastly, we got real-time quotes. If you don't subscribe to the Oprah real-time quotes, the list will show quotes on a 15-minute delay. So that's more about, depending on the platform you use, you want real-time data so you can make real-time decisions. Based on what you're willing to pay, you may find yourself trading on outdated data. All right, so bottom line, the unusual options activity list is a powerful and helpful analysis tool for every options trader. It saves you time and effort when monitoring the options market and can be very effective in finding options trading opportunities. Update your app to the latest version to use this essential options trading tool, the unusual options activity list. All right, peace and love. I hope that was helpful. I hope you get rich. Please subscribe to the channel. About 60 to 70% of my watchers and viewers are not subscribed. Let's get 1,000 subscribers. Let's get over the hump. Let's keep going to keep growing. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace and love.